National hero Mosiah Garvey, 1887 to 1940. The visionary Pan-Africanist and advocate for Black empowerment. Marcus Garvey is one of the most globally recognized Jamaican figures. He is known for his advocacy for Black empowerment, self-reliance, and pride in African heritage. Marcus Garvey was born on the 17th of October, 1887. He was born in St. Ann's Bay. Garvey founded the Universal Negro Improvement Association, UNIA, in 1914. His slogan, "One God, one aim, one destiny," encapsulated his vision for the unity and upliftment of Black people worldwide. Garvey believed in the economic and political empowerment of Black people through self-help and community organization. His Back to Africa movement encouraged African descendants to connect with their ancestral roots and consider resettling in Africa. Garvey's teachings inspired movements like Rastafarianism and the African American Civil Rights Movement. Although he faced legal troubles in the United States, including imprisonment and deportation, his legacy as a leader who called for African pride and independence endures. Marcus Garvey was declared Jamaica's first national hero. His influence extends far beyond the island today, and he's remembered for his powerful oratory, his writings, and the establishment of the UNIA, which at its height had millions of members globally. Key contributions: Marcus Garvey founded the UNIA and the Negro World newspaper. He promoted Black economic self-reliance through the Black Star Line, which was a shipping company. He inspired global Pan-Africanism and influenced the development of the Rastafarian movement.